What are we gonna do today?
Today we're going to eat food.
Eat food to
Poop!
make a poop. What experiment are you gonna do?
Digestive
System.
system.
Okay, so what do we need? We need some food, of course. And then, what? This one for a representation of our mouth until our small intestine and large intestine. Okay. Okay, so we have
And then to
food.
the stomach.
Stomach first. Okay, so let's start.
With the
So we'll just have, first we have food and then milk.
The milk.
And then this is our pretend saliva. What is the saliva that we use?
This is for
A water saliva and the mouth.
mouth.
Yeah. Now we also have stomach and this one is small intestine and
Large
intestine.
It's upside down.
Large intestine. Food. So let's start.
Stop.
So what are we gonna do first, ate?
We're going to do first is stomach.
Stomach? How can it go
I
to
think
stomach? Yeah. So you need food.
Yum. Yummy food.
Oh, what you'll do with the food? How to eat food?
What's this?
What did you do? You
Jump.
bite.
Bye.
Yeah. You bite.
That's yummy.
Oh, you pretend that this is a biting. You're gonna use scissor, okay?
Voice. Okay. Take two.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Banana.
You're gonna want banana?
Oh no, he wants banana.
How can we do this? So first, you're gonna chomp the food. Oh, how to eat your food, ate. No, this one, the pretend one, ate. Oh, kunyari, you bite. You bite. Ito, you bite. You show it. There, like that. That's biting. Right?
Yes.
Later po.
So. Yeah.
Oh, next. Oh, you want more brownies? Okay, eat. More brownies. Then, next is the banana. We'll bite the banana.
Scissors.
Yum, yum,
It's going to be dirty.
yum,
It's
Yum.
not going to be dirty.
Yum.
I hope
Yum.
it's going to be dirty.
yum, yum, yum,
It looks like it's dirty.
yum,
It looks like
Yum.
it's going to be dirty.
yum, 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 yum. The banana. Chum, chum, chum. And then, do you want the biscuits? Okay, oh, bite, bite. Bite the biscuits, okay?
My favorite part is
What's your favorite part? Bite it. And then, yum, 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 yum.
it's so hot.
Okay. Oh, this one.
Gotcha!
There, you did it.
Super gecko muscles. Super gecko muscles.
And then, since you ate up plenty of plenty of food, you're thirsty. Gonna drink
No.
your milk.
We're going to
Yeah.
put it down.
Yeah. You drink your milk. Oh, there. Drink your milk. So inside your mouth, yum, 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 your bite, you're chewing it, right? You chew inside your mouth.
I'll
Yeah.
be back in a minute.
This is a pretend teeth. Chew, chew. Yan, chew. Chewing and chewing
Can
and
I
chewing. Sure. Wanna try, Jay? Chewing and chewing and chewing and chewing and
This is
chewing.
hard for the bee.
And because in your mouth, ate, diba, there's watery thing inside our mouth. What is that?
Acid.
No, it's a
Lipid.
saliva. So this is your saliva. So it helps you to chew up your food. So it will become smooth. Soft. It will become soft. Okay, enough. Too much saliva. Okay, and then,
It looks like real wet.
diba, remember when you eat, there's something watery in your mouth that makes your food soft, right?
Okay?
That's it. That's the saliva. There. So
I'm just drinking it.
inside in the saliva, after in the mouth,
It looks like more.
what will you eat what will you do after you chew your food? You
Go to
will,
the stomach.
how? What you'll do? You will,
Perfect.
no. What's that? What do you call that? When you bite, chew, and then you swallow. Yeah, now, you look at our food.
Look at our food. It looks like soup.
Looks like, is it yummy? We will put it in we will gonna swallow our food now.
Now where's the stomach?
Now, it will go to our stomach. Okay. No, we don't need it pa, ate. That's for the intestine.
Small intestine.
Here, oh. There, oh. Bigger one.
That's too little.
Yum, 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 yum. Swallow. Swallow. And then, yum, 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 yum. We're gonna pour it out. We're gonna pour out. We're gonna pour everything. We're gonna swallow everything. We need to swallow everything.
Because it's going to
There. Inside our stomach.
inside the stomach.
Do you know, ate, the stomach is small. But as we eat, it becomes
Big.
yeah, it expands because we put something inside.
Down.
Yeah.
Look, it's
Yeah.
so big.
So now in the stomach, it makes it all up. It's like a blender
Yeah.
inside the stomach.
Can I try?
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a boat.
Yeah, it's closed. It's closed.
I tried it open.
Also in the stomach, there's the acid.
It looks so cold. It's so
Well,
cold.
we'll add the
It's so
acid.
cold because of the milk.
Yeah. So what is our acid here? Our acid is a
Vinegar.
you use vinegar. Or you pour in ate. Stomach acid. So to digest the food.
All of them until it's at
Yeah. Until so the acid helps us to digest our food. Okay?
It looks like it's a magic sensor.
Magic potion. Oh, you mix it, mix it, mix it. The food stays in our stomach for 2 to 3 hours. Hours or more. That's why we need to eat properly. So now, in our
Lord, and
in
then
our stomach. After that, for a while,
it going to be in the small
it
intestine.
will go to the small intestine. That's where we need this.
And
you
where
hold
do
it
we
up.
put it?
The small
This one?
intestine. Hold it.
Okay, this one.
You hold that.
Oh my, I'm going to get dirty.
Oh,
Big,
yeah.
big. I hope my hands are not dirty. Because it has a little holes we can't see. Oh no, I'm not ready.
Are you ready to go?
No.
So
I'm not ready. I'm not
we'll
ready.
go to the
I'm not
small-
ready. I'm not ready.
We'll go
I'm
to
not
the-
ready. I don't like my hand being dirty. Why are you doing this to me? I need gloves.
You can do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
So it will go to the small intestine.
Oh no, I can't do this. Why you're doing this to me? Oh no.
Pull it down. Sorry. So it is small intestine.
Is it man already?
It's okay. So there, in the small
It's just a little
intestine.
bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that was.
In the small intestine.
Oh.
There, look oh. The stomach squeezes
And squash
the food softly into the small.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, small intestine.
Oh my!
It's okay.
I'm not so happy with this.
There. Now, in the small intestine, there.
Oh my, that's so wet.
Mhm. Now, in the small intestine, ate, it squeezes out all the nutrients.
It looks like a bubble gum.
Yeah. The enzymes in the ate and EJ, the enzymes in the small intestine helps the nutrients to break the nutrients into small molecules. So this juices ate flows into our body. This have all the nutrients that we need to make us strong and healthy. Okay? So this flows, ganyan.
Like
Now,
this?
yeah, like that. Small intestine. You wanna squish it? Squish it. You try.
Okay, I need that one.
Oh, bilis. No, you don't need towel. You can wash it naman later. Come on. Oh, you wanna squish this, Jay? You wanna squish it?
No.
No?
Yes.
You put us here. You put us here. Now, yeah. So in the small intestine, they squish them everything. Okay?
Okay.
Now, after that, it will go to the
Large intestine.
yes, the large intestine. The large intestine,
It looks like just
yeah, the large intestine gets all the dry things that no longer have nutrients or the leftovers. These are the leftovers from the small intestine. It will go to the large. It will travel to the large intestine. Okay. Now, do you know what happened? Those that will go to the large intestine?
No.
Okay. You wait. Then you will see what will happen to the leftover food that go to the blood.
I know. It goes.
Do you know what is this, EJ?
Ew.
This is your protein anus.
Ew.
You wanna squish it out, ate? It's inside the plastic.
Yes.
No. Squish it out.
Oh my squish! Oh my
That
squish!
will be your poo-poo.
My squish leftover. Oh my squish leftover.
That's your
I'm gonna be back. I'll be back.
oh, you squish it out, Jay.
Finish.
Squish it out. That's your poo-poo.
Finish.
Does it look yummy? Look yummy? That's your poo-poo.
Oh my! I don't know what happened.
Bye-bye.
Oh yes. Bye. Oh my yuck.
So that's how you digest your food until it becomes poop.
Ew. Oh my yuck. Oh my yuck. Trying to clean this up. Ew. Yep, you can do this at home too.
Yeah.
Subscribe with more videos at home and bye. Oh my squish jump. Oh my squish jump. Oh my yuck.